everybody, Lee Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and here's another fun video to, help make your Orlando vacation awesome. Whether you want to experience the world of Hollywood, see what it's like to be a wizard, experience thrilling rides, or visit themed bars and restaurants, there's only one place in the world that does it all, and that is Universal Orlando Resort in Orlando, Florida. Get ready to have fun in 2023. But if you haven't done this already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of when these helpful videos are popping up on your feed. All right, let's get to it. We all know that vacations of such a magnitude rarely come cheap, but what if you could get some amazing discounts even before you decide to visit the place? What? Yeah, it's possible. In this video, we will first discuss how you can save significantly with Universal Orlando 2023 packages, followed by some expert-tested tips that can further save you time and money on your trip to Universal Orlando, Florida. Why get Universal Studios discounted tickets 2023 package? Pretty self-explanatory. One of the best ways to save a great deal of money on your next Universal Orlando trip is to buy Universal Orlando tickets along with your lodging in the form of a package deal. At OrlandoVacation.com, package deals can save you up to 12% more than if you were to buy tickets and lodging separately. But that's not all. When you buy a package deal, your ticket prices won't be affected even if there is an official raise in the price by the park, which usually happens twice a year. So if you're pre-booked for 2023, this can save you money while other people have to pay the raised fees. Lastly, Orlando Vacation has been honored to win the Best Orlando Online Travel Agency and Booking Site. They've been awarded this for the past 12 years. We are an authorized Universal seller, which means peace of mind and an uncompromising service apart from year-round discounts. How to get a Universal Orlando 2023 package. To get a Universal Orlando 2023 package deal, head to this link right here, right here, right here. This is me just messing with my editor who now hates me. Choose the dates you want to book. Choose the lodging option that best suits your needs from our vetted list of hotels and vacation homes, and we'll design a custom package just for you. Here are some other tips and tricks that can save you time and money on your Universal Orlando vacation. Purchase tickets in advance. If you're not up for buying a package deal, buying your ticket in advance can save you money and hassle. Just by buying online, you can save up to 20% on your purchases of multi-day theme park tickets and express passes. As for single-day tickets, you can get occasional discounts if you buy them in advance as well. But money is not the only thing you can save when you book tickets in advance. You can save a ton of time by heading straight to the gate instead of waiting in long lines where people wait to purchase tickets on site. Even if your ticket needs to be picked up from the will call kiosks, you can still pass through that with little to no waiting if you're booked in advance. Waiting in lines can drain you even before the fun starts, so saving time and money is a great way to get started on your Universal vacation on the right foot. But beware. If you come across someone online who is selling heavily discounted tickets, they're not associated with an authorized seller, be really wary of making such a purchase. These people will usually ask you to meet somewhere close to the park where you can make the purchases. Seems kind of sketchy. Even though the discounts are real, the tickets are of no use. Most of the time, these are partially used tickets or complimentary tickets given to Universal Orlando team members. These tickets are non-transferable. If you use them, you're unlikely to be allowed in the park. The best way to ensure you're getting the right kind of discounted tickets is to buy from an authorized seller like Orlando Vacation. A Universal Annual Pass has numerous benefits like the perk of unlimited park-to-park admission or more extended stays. These passes are great for people who know they'll visit Universal Orlando more than once yearly. If purchased correctly, these passes can save money, time, and frustration that other guests go through standing in queues. However, before purchasing, compare the prices with the regular tickets to see if an annual pass suits you, depending on how many times you plan to visit that year. When you reach Universal's theme park gates, the Express Pass kiosks and their long lines might catch your attention if you're interested in buying Express Passes. However, that is not the smartest way to do it. When Universal Orlando is relatively busy, the park sets up temporary Express Pass sales kiosks at the entrance of the theme parks. The purpose of these temporary kiosks is to regulate and distribute the crowds adequately. However, since people see them right at the entrance, the chances of them being crowded are greater. Therefore, if you want to buy an Express Pass, it's best to step inside the theme park and access the Express Park sales points inside the park. These points are less crowded with little to no wait times. With online booking, there is more convenience and people can now book tickets in a matter of seconds. However, taking the time to research before buying the tickets and understanding the perks and limitations that come with them can save you money. Universal Orlando tickets are non-refundable and non-transferable, and they can be expensive depending on the size of your family. However, if you make a mistake or want an admission change, you can talk to your ticket seller or Universal Orlando support. They might give you some options regarding how to solve your problem. Choosing a package deal is a hassle-free way, and you don't have to run around looking for discounts. It also brings you peace of mind that your fun and lodging are taken care of at a reduced price. Add to that the other tips we mentioned, and you can visit Universal Orlando even on a tight budget. So, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your next Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.